Most agents feel underprepared. Training takes weeks. Performance is unpredictable. That's the norm. Assist365 changes that. It works quietly in the background, listening, guiding, suggesting, right when you need it. It gives you the right words, the next step, the right answer. It even writes the summary when you're done. With Assist365, agents respond faster, customers stay longer, and teams do more with less. One team used Assist365 to help with complex support queries. They didn't just work faster, they worked better. Across industries, Assist365 has cut handle time, doubled speed to proficiency, and improved first contact resolution. Assist365 runs on Gnani.ai's own AI stack, built for scale, tuned for clarity, and designed around how top-performing real agents work. Assist365 isn't just another tool. It's how you make your every agent a super agent.